Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Zilliqa, the latest and urgent update of Zilliqa. What's the price of the Zilliqa, what surprises occur in the Zilliqa. In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video friends, if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and update friends video friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you friends because I will update you every hour, which is very important for all of you friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Let's talk about the price of the Zilliqa at this time friends. Now at this time price of Zilliqa is about 0.232213 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of Zilliqa. Same like that, if we talk about the price changes occur in Zilliqa, so the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price change has gone negative friends, and the last 1 week price change has gone positive friends. That means that the Zilliqa yesterday, the falling period of the Zilliqa are start now from the previous last 1 day friends. Let's see the price chart of the Zilliqa for more details friends. Oh my god, I know that there is a fast occur in Zilliqa, but in this video I will give you a good news. As you can see here in this chart friends, now the fast occur yesterday, but that is the common phenomena of cryptocurrencies market that after a falls there is a jump. So same as you can see here at this time the fast occur in after a fast, now it is time to take a jump friends. The Zilliqa coin also take a jump friends, and I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of Zilliqa throughout this month friends. If we talk about the price changes occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price change is about negative 0.07% fast occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 day, but don't worry, now they again take a jump friends. Let's see the price changes of highest price of the Zilliqa friends. At this time the highest price of the Zilliqa in the last 1 day 0.242397 USD dollar is the highest price of Zilliqa, and now the currently price as you can see here 0.232213 USD dollar is the currently at this time live price of Zilliqa. So as you can see here is the price 0.23 and here is the price of 0.24 friends. The price changes is about 1 USD dollar friends. I hope that they recover this fast in only in the 10 minutes and the coming soon. As you can see the price changes is very less 0.07%, so very soon the change become positive friends, and the price is also high of Zilliqa friends. What's your opinion about Zilliqa? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and urgent update friends.